Hello everyone and welcome back to Catherine's Kitchen. Today we will be doing Yam and Saltfish Accra. It's basically a little appetizer that you can use for any little party or gathering that you have. You will need 1 pound white yam grated on the fine side of your grater, 2 teaspoons all-purpose seasoning, 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, 1½ tablespoon finely chopped pimentos, 1½ teaspoon red pepper flakes, and 3 cups of oil. To begin, you will first boil your saltfish. When you are finished boiling it, you will drain it and then you will rinse it in cold water. And after that, you're going to squeeze out all the water from your saltfish and you're going to strip it very fine into fine pieces. Now you have your yam. And the yam that we are using today, it's white yam, like this. And you are going to grate it on the fine side of your grater. Don't blend, don't food process. Just grate it on the fine side of your grater. Okay guys, so this is what your yam will look like. It's very thick. So now you're going to add the rest of your ingredients. So you have your saltfish, red pepper flakes, onion, pimentos, and your complete seasoning. And you're going to mix this in. And it takes a while because you'll realize that the grated yam, it's something that's very thick, but it will eventually be combined into it. And you can serve this with a nice little dip on the side. You can blend mangoes together with shadow benny or cilantro, some garlic, some pieces of hot pepper and salt, and that's your dip. You can use either you can use that or you can use like tamarind sauce. So this is what it will look like now. Okay, you have your oil heating on the stove, and now we are going to cross the fry. Okay, so I usually use this spoon. It's an eating spoon, and I just dip the tip of it or the side of it, and you drop it in the oil. You just fry it on both sides on medium heat until it is a nice golden brown. Then you just remove it and you serve. Make sure that you drain it on paper towels before serving it and once you take it out of the frying pan. Now this is our Yam and Saltfish Accra. As you can see, I have my tamarind sauce, and this is, let me break one, and this is what it looks like inside. Okay, so you do not necessarily have to add any salt because the saltfish is already salted, and the yam puffs up for itself, see? So you don't have to add any baking powder or anything like that. So enjoy.